What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another American cocktail, and this time it takes us to the state of South Dakota. This is state number 10 in our series. So with South Dakota, think of Mount Rushmore. So that is the clue for today's cocktail. Think of Mount Rushmore, a former president. That is the name of this cocktail. Can you guess what it is? So if you've guessed Roosevelt, you will be correct. So this is the Roosevelt cocktail, and I will show you guys how to make this drink. So this is to celebrate South Dakota. So let's get straight into it. So to make the Roosevelt, guys, so what you want to do is get your tin shaker and put in 45 ice cubes. So now it's time to build this cocktail. Let's get straight into it. So the first ingredient into the tin, my friends, is 52.5 or 1 3/4 of the dark rum. It is Time of the Kraken, and I really do like this dark rum. It's one of my favourites to use for a dark rum. So next into the tin shaker is 15ml or half an ounce of a dry vermouth. So I've gone with the Bianco vermouth. I was gonna say it's dry. It's not extra dry like sometimes it gets. Because I want a bit of a dry one. Because I don't want it to be too dry. Next is 7.5. Next is 7.5ml or 1/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. Last is 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. So put your lid on and give it a nice good shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. So get your martini glass or a little coupe glass and strain into it. Beautiful. So the final thing to do now is to garnish it with an orange twist. And as simple as that, that is the Roosevelt for South Dakota, number 10 in our state cocktail challenge. What should we do next in the US states? Let me know in the comments below. There we go, my friends. One Roosevelt. How does it taste? It's a quirky one. It's one thing I will say with the vermouth. It's certainly interesting with the dark rum. It's got plenty of flavour to it, it's one thing I will say. But if you like your vermouth or you like your aperitif, this one is for you. Because it's nice. And you certainly know when you had it. Because it's a nice winter drink. One thing I would say for this, it's a nice warm sipper. That is how I would describe this. I think it's a solid 6 out of 10. It's not my personal favourite, but that's just for me. Because I have my own personal preference for cocktails. This is not it. But 6 out of 10, I can appreciate it. It's a nice bitter one, quite strong as well. And but it's one of those you gotta appreciate it. Because it's one of those that you can sip, just enjoy it, especially during the long, dark winter nights that are coming up. That is how I would describe this drink. A nice winter cocktail. So that, my friends, is the Roosevelt. Because that is the adopted one for South Dakota. I think it's very fitting, especially with Mount Rushmore, for Teddy Roosevelt. That is who it's named after. But what do you guys think of this cocktail? Do let me know in the comments below. But if you are new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more American cocktails like this. And for my next journey in the US states, just let me know in the comments below which state do you want me to do next, as that is number 10 in our state cocktail challenge, and I will see you guys for state number 11. But where will I go next? But happy bank holiday, especially in the UK, is good to say. But happy bank holiday to everyone out there, and have a nice weekend to everyone else. Cheers.